Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have our first DIY. Oh, wow. So she made a really cool clock design. Oh, this is really nice. Loving the aesthetic for that one. She looks like she is very busy with the DIY projects. We see several spotted in her home. So moving on to the next one. So they're using like an ordinary paint pot for this, painting it. Then we have some little pebbles. Oh, a candle holder. Oh, this is relaxing. Very pretty, very pretty. It kind of reminds you of like being at a spa. Very nice. And we have some type of sheep here. So they drew the sheep and then did like cutting it out, did a cutout. We have some cotton. Oh. Oh, so it's like basically like a little activity for the toddler. That's cute. Okay, we have some type of tissue here. They dyed it and looks like they're cutting out little hearts. And they have some flowers. Oh, they're making like little decorative floral pieces. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning. So pretty and very unexpected too. So it looks like we have some type of clay style bowl for the next one. So they're basically cutting out little strips of the clay. Kind of reminds you of like a pie. Or maybe I'm just hungry. Oh, they used a really pretty jade color for this. Did a splattering technique with a toothbrush. Kind of giving it like a worn look. Oh, it's a fruit basket. Oh, that's cool. And that's another one of those projects where you like use it for multiple different things. So we have a bunch of dollar store bowls here. Those are like the punch bowls that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Stacking them together. Okay. Oh, I wonder if they're making a table. Spray painted them. Oh, they made a vase with the, wow, what a really cool design. Very simple too. Wow, that looks so high end. Very nicely done. It's amazing to me how a can of spray paint can just transform an item, an object. It's amazing, really. So we have someone here, it looks like they're doing their own artwork piece. Wow, can you imagine how much something like this, like how much money it would save you? Just such a simplistic design, and it looks so high end. That is crazy to me. Wow. Oh, here we have another artwork design. I'm telling you, if you guys can make your own artwork and home wall decor pieces, do it, because you will save so much money on these pieces. And this is such a simple black and white design too. Wow, look at that. Beautifully done. And this person, she probably has so much fun making her own DIY projects. Her home is just filled with them. You gotta have like the right kind of creative mind in order to create some of these projects. Because I'll just look at something and be like, oh, okay, that's garbage. But most of the creators in this video, they'll look at it and they'll be like, this can easily be a lamp, or this can be a vase. Like, see, my mind doesn't think that way. But it does make you rethink things after watching these videos. Like, okay, yeah, that would be a cool little vase you can upcycle and make, you know. And I love the simplicity behind this particular project. They're definitely making, yeah, I was going to say a plant or a vase. This can even be like a candle holder too. Like, very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my reactions to today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.